Hello, and welcome to our early literacy presentations. We are delighted to give you some information to help you understand how your child learned the important skills of reading and writing, and how you can support them at home. Before children begin formal reading instruction, it's important that they first develop a set of free reading skills. These are the building blocks that prepare them for successful literacy later on. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, we focus on spoken language, in both English and Portuguese. Children need to hear and use words in order to build vocabulary, understand sentence structure, and communicate their ideas. For example, through stories, songs, and conversations, children begin to experiment with language, making connections between sounds and meaning. Along with speaking, we also build strong listening skills. Listening is essential for understanding stories, following directions, and engaging in conversation. Activities like listening to rhymes, playing call and response games, or following a sequence of instructions help children build their attention and comprehension. Next are motor skills, both fine and gross. These are often overlooked, but they are crucial for reading readiness. Fine motor skills like holding a crayon or turning pages prepare children for writing, while gross motor activities such as clapping or jumping to rhythms help connect movement with sound patterns in language. Social skills are the abilities we use every day to interact and communicate effectively with others, both children and adults. These skills are learned from birth and developed through interaction with the people around us. Parents are the child's biggest influence in learning how to relate to others. When children take turns, share books, or collaborate during group activities, they learn patience, cooperation, and the joy of learning together. Another key foundation is creativity. Creativity motivates children to learning. Encouraging children to imagine, role play, and tell their own stories helps them see that reading and writing are ways to express ideas. Creative play develops narrative thinking, which is essential when they later learn to make sense of plots and characters in books. Finally, we nurture independence. At this stage, independence doesn't just mean trying to read on their own. It starts with simple daily tasks. Dressing themselves, tidying up their toys, and taking small responsibilities give children confidence and self-control. These skills foster perseverance and the ability to manage tasks on their own, which later translates into readiness for learning and literacy. Altogether, these pre-reading skills form a strong foundation. They ensure that when children start learning to read, they are not only ready, but also excited and confident to take on the challenge.